want to learn how to make this super easy strawberries and cream, aka fresas con crema drink, keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding our sugar, our condensed milk, our evaporated milk, our regular milk, and our water. All right, now we're going to whisk until everything is well combined. Now we're going to add our strawberries to the blender. We're going to grab 1 cup of our liquid and we're going to add to the blender. Okay. And now we're going to blend it until everything is well blended and combined. Now we're going to add this to this. Look how cute. Ooh, it looks so yummy. Okay. Using a spatula, we're going to scrape every little bit of strawberry out. We're going to give it a quick mix. And now for our last ingredient, we are going to add our vanilla. And we're going to mix. And now, time to serve. I have 3 different glass containers just for the looks, but you can use a cup or anything of your preference. Using a measuring cup, I'm going to grab a little bit and I'm going to add to my cup. Now I'm going to add some ice. I forgot to add this first. We're going to add some ice. I'm going to serve. And now to top it off, I'm going to add some strawberries. And just like that, we have our strawberries and cream, aka fresasconcrema drink. Super easy and fast to do, and look how delicious this drink looks. If you guys try it, let me know down below in the comments how it turned out. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.